How to speak confidently in front of a crowd. How to speak in public like a pro, even if it's your first time. We have 7 simple tricks for you to speak confidently in front of an audience. Number 1. Believe you are the expert. You will perform best when you convince yourself that everyone in the room wants to hear what you have to say. If you are positioned as an expert and audiences are in need of your knowledge, speaking confidently will come much more easily. Besides, speaking with confidence will ensure that the audience trusts that you know your stuff. Number 2. Speak from the heart. If you're going to speak in front of an audience, it should come naturally. It should be prepared in advance, but not recited. Speak from your heart. Number 3. Use gestures, but don't overdo. Natural movement during a speech is a sign of an effective public speaker. Hand gestures and even taking a few steps across the stage can be good public speaking techniques as long as they're natural, purposeful, and not overdone. Movement can make you appear more comfortable and help your audience relate to you. Number 4. Care about your topic. If you sincerely care about your topic, the audience will pick up on that too. They will view you as being more authentic and believable. They will listen more closely to discover why your subject is so important to you. And they are more likely to forgive any minor mistakes you might make. Number 5. Don't worry about mistakes. One of the reasons so many of us fear public speaking is because we are worried that we will make a mistake and embarrass ourselves in front of everyone. Of course, practice can dramatically reduce the likelihood of you making a mistake. The more you practice, the better you will know your speech and mistakes will be less likely. So, what should you do if you do happen to make a mistake? If it is a minor mistake, don't stop or apologize for your mistake, as that only calls attention to it. Just continue on. If you make a big mistake, try using humor to diffuse the situation and then continue your speech. Your listeners will be impressed with how gracefully you handled things. Number 6. Relax. It is normal to be nervous about public speaking. Having some anxiety before giving a speech is perfectly normal. Still, you should try to relax if you can. You will be more comfortable, and the audience will relate to you better too. If there is something that normally calms you down in stressful situations, try using it right before you are due to speak. Popular calming techniques include meditation, exercise, positive affirmations, aromatherapy, music. Try out these techniques to relax yourself. Number 7. Be human. Approach the crowd like you are having a conversation with a friend. Assume everyone there likes you, wants to hear what you have to say, and wants to grab a beer with you afterwards. Talk like a human, act like a human, and own it. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel for more interesting videos.